I'm Diksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me and if you like what you watch, then please consider subscribing. Diwali is around the corner and I picked few kurti sets from MYNTRA. Now it's going to be a very small haul, so without wasting time, let's get started.
The first item I have here is this golden checked high slit kurta with trouser. Now the trouser has this golden button detailing which really looks cute, and it's a straight cut pant. It comes with this crop top which has a round neck and concealed zip closure, very easy to wear, and to top it up there's this Anarkali type 3/4 sleeve flared hem front slit kurta. And what I don't like about this dress is I feel the crop top neck is too high and it's too short. It's a very cropped top, so you just can't wear it just as it is. You should be wearing this jacket, and the pant really did fit me a little weirdly because the thighs part is tight and the lower part is fine, but it's a very cute kurta. Now the price of this originally was 2999, and because it was an offer I got it for 1450, which I think is a nice deal. Next kurti is my favorite. It is this pink palazzo or sharara kurti set. The kurta is knee length and has keyhole detailing, 3/4 sleeve straight hem, and the pant has this elastic waistband, and the lower part of it has this pleated detailing like a sharara pant, which is very beautiful as a very unique design. And it comes with the dupatta as well, which is the softest fabric, and it is not at all heavy. It will look good on any function, and the actual price of this was 3000 rupees, and the offer price was just 1199. Next is this peach printed palazzo kurti set from the brand Arcs. It has this golden straight calf length kurta, round neck, sleeveless, straight hem side slit, and it comes with a peach colored and golden printed palazzo which has a zipper closure and comes with 2 pockets. Now the fabric of this is very soft and nice. I think it's cotton, and the best part of this is the back of the kurti, which is different and unique. Now coming to the price, the actual price was 2199 and the offer price was 1200.
I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe and share the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.